What we do, instead of giving it sabay-sabay, unti-untiin namin.
Kung titignan, si Ryan Agoncillo parang hindi tumatanda.
There. All done.
Baka pag ako may sinabi sa'yo, ikaw ang mas magulang.
Boyish pa rin.
6 weeks akong buntis, Jed. Hoy! Naintindihan mo ba ako? 6 weeks akong buntis! Daddy ka na! Jed!
Kung minsan, kumikero.
Parubal naman yata ang babae pa mag-iisip ng dapat gawin sa honeymoon.
Sige na. Umpisahan na nga natin tong honeymoon na to.
Hola!
Jed!
Pero sa totoong buhay pala, sa likod ng kamera, seryosong tatay. Ang dalawang anak ni Ryan at ni Judy Ann Santos, sina Johanna Luis o Johan at si Juan Luis o Lucho. Mabilis nagsisipaglaki.
Magkakaiba man ang mga estado sa buhay, pare-pareho lang naman daw ang mga magulang. Lalo na pagdating sa kanilang responsibilidad sa kanilang mga anak. Pero paano nga ba maging ama ang ilan nating celebrities pag wala sa harap ng kamera?
Ang paborito nilang bonding katulad din ng maraming mga pamilya, video games. Nung nakabuelo na sila sa paglalaro, in-interview ko si Ryan.
Ryan, thank you for this opportunity.
Oh, thank you.
Makita ka bond with your kids. Father's Day eh.
Yeah, this is pretty much how we do it at home.
Ate, you want to play this, Marvel? Or you stick to Tekken? Oh, you talk to Lucho. You be the one to talk to Lucho.
Patay, magre-referee ka ngayon, Ryan.
No, they can solve it on their own.
Talaga? Hindi sila, hindi sila nag-aaway?
No. Magkasundo itong dalawa.
Mabait siguro si Johan, nasan ate?
Yes.
Marunong mag-ano.
Yeah. They're not the type to argue a lot.
Talaga. How many years apart nga sila?
How old are you now, honey? 9. Lucho? 3. Oh, yeah. She's turning 10 in November. She's turning 4 in October.
Magkasundo.
Yeah. She's a good ate. Are you? Are you sweet to Lucho? Who are you, ate? Red. Oh, you make palit. You make palit. There. This is their newest hit.
May ganyan na pala
They can do
ngayon.
this all day. Actually, kaya namin to 4 kami. Mamaya!
Yung ating Super Pinoy Henyo Word na worth 200,000 pesos.
Si Ryan may eat bulaga.
Kung alam mo na ang sagot, i-post na natin yan.
Picture-picture.
Picture.
Ayet!
O, kamusta ang araw mo?
Nasa bike shop lang ako kanina. Pinuntahan ako ng pamangkin mo dun. Hold up na naman ako.
At malapit na ring bumida sa Kapuso sitcom na Small Family. Madalas busy, pero sinisiguro raw niyang may sapat siyang oras para sa kanyang mga anak.
When I got married, that's when I joined Eat Bulaga. Because Eat Bulaga presented that opportunity where I can leave late in the morning on a daily basis and come home before sunset. At that time, si Johan pa lang yung pumapasok, nasasamahan ko pa siya sa breakfast or nahahatid sa school. And then, pag-uwi, nasa bahay na ako, by the time she gets home, nasasalubong ko naman siya. Or nasusundo naman namin siya from school. I'm a little freer to work kasi naman si Juday, she's in between shows. So pinipace din namin yung sarili namin.
Say hi!
Hi! Madalas sinasabi ng mga artista na hanggat maaari, ayaw nilang mag-artista rin ang kanilang mga anak. Pero si Ryan, bukas sa posibilidad na ito. Lalo pat sa murang edad pa lang, si Johan nagpapakita na ng interes sa pagkanta.
Showbiz. Mahilig silang kumanta at sumayaw.
My mom-in-law had a good way of putting it. Sabi niya, iho, yan ang pinapakain niyo sa kanila. So naturalmente, kung dyan sila napunta, huwag na kayo magtaka. So, sige, showbiz ka. Pero mag-aral ka. Because these people in showbiz, they're quite equipped. So I want you to be equipped. So, sige, pag doktora ka na, bahala ka na kung gusto mo. Pag engineer ka na, pag gusto mo. Sige, kung gusto nila. As long as they're equipped. Like si Johan, when she showed signs of wanting to be a singer, may boses eh. Sabi namin, sige, mag-singing lesson ka. So she did very well, actually.
Johan, you want to be a singer? Talaga? Sinong idol mo? Who's your idol?
1D? Who in 1D?
Pinag-iisipan mo ba yun? You know, the downside na nasa showbiz kayo and then you have kids. And probably people will be judging you, judging them.
Yeah. You know, I think I'll be dishonest if I say wala akong pakialam, no? Of course, you tell me my kid looks ugly, I'll, di ba? Away to.
That's really done.
Yeah, I'll join you in a bit.
Papasayawin ka na ngayon, Ryan.
Oh, you dance with me.
Okay.
Now na? Now na?
Ate yo dance.
Oh, Ate Yo first.
Not you.
Not me. Okay, Ate Yo. When I had Lucho, that's when I said I gotta start cleaning up my act. First love ni daughter is the dad. First hero ni Kuya is the dad. So, I gotta raise the bar for her. And I gotta raise the bar for him.
Pressured ka.
Oo, kailangan tumino eh. You want them to grow up matino, so I gotta be matino.
Taas na expectation pala sa sarili mo, ha?
Medyo. with them, yeah. Sayang naman.
Meron bang mga sacrifices daw, Ryan? Because you're in showbiz.
When it comes to work, yung kissing scene. Siyempre, you don't want to introduce double standards, right? Ayokong i-explain sa kanila, halimbawa, why daddy is kissing somebody else. Or why mommy is kissing somebody else. Kung mapoportray mo naman na maganda without going physical, we try and do that. But if it's kailangan, then we do it. Poproblemahin na lang namin yon pag nandyan na.
Kung may limitations pala si Ryan, hindi ka pwede maging bold star o action star pala.
Gusto ko sana eh. Pero for my kids, ayoko maging bold star.
At kung kinakailangan, dinidisiplina rin ang kanilang mga anak.
I never palo when I'm mad. It always has to be at that point where she has to learn something.
Namalo ka.
Yeah, there was a time that she had to learn an important lesson about respect. Nagsalita siya ng hindi maganda sa yaya. So, hinanda ko yung sarili ko. I really thought of how to talk to her and why she was gonna get palo. And I had to see it in her eyes that she knew why. It wasn't because I was mad that I had to release the anger, no.
So she remembers the
She
rest of
remembers
her
it.
life.
Yeah. The next one was, alam mo naman, pagbata, playful, nangupit. Those were the 2 times that I had to do it. And you understand why, right, honey? Yeah. So it never happened again. But when you do that, you have to make sure the lesson you want to impart is imparted.
Ibinahagi ni Ryan ang ilan sa mga hindi niya malilimutang bagay sa pag-aalaga kina Johan at Lucho.
Lahat ginawa ko, except yung palit ng soiled diapers. Hindi ko kaya. Yung wiwi kaya ko. Oh, paligo, I used to, like with Johan, I used to blow dry her hair in the morning. Proud ka pa. Inuutusan niya ako to blow dry her hair.
Did Dad make a good job out of blow drying your hair?
Yeah.
Talaga?
I used to blow dry her hair. So I'm that involved. Pero yung ang deal ko kay Mrs., I can take yung suka, pero hindi lang yung number 2. Yun lang. Mahal ko yung mga anak ko, gagawin ko lahat. Kahit maglaba ako for them. Yung number 2 lang talaga hindi ko kaya.
Mabuti na lang meron ng disposable diapers ngayon.
Yung number 2, minsan, si Johan, naabutan ako. Buti na lang may bidet. Bidet is my friend. Ayan. Si Lucho, naabutan din ako may bidet. Baril-baril lang yan.
Same. Anong mas mahirap? Because they say mas mahirap daw magpalaki ng babae kaysa lalaki.
I would think.
Talaga?
Oo, kasi alam mo yung expression na yung manok ko lalaki. May mom kasi, 2 guys kami, manok niya lalaki. So para sa kanya, umuwi man duguan yan, okay yan, papa-hospital ko na lang. Makabundis man yan, manok ko lalaki. ako hindi, manok ko babae. So yun yung fear ko. Pero kaya ngayon pa lang gusto ko matigas na yung ano niya. Like, I think her mom is a perfect example for her na she may not be outwardly strong, but her, yung kanyang fortitude ba, yung gano'n, yung malakas eh. So, I think in that regard, mom's a perfect example for her.
We have a Father's Day message for Dad.
Happy Father's Day.
Is Dad a good dad?
Yes.
He's a cool dad ba, Lucho? Who usually wins when you play with Dad?
Who wins?
Does he let you win or?
I just win.
What about when we play aliens? Who wins? Yeah.
Who's pogi? How about you, Johan? You have a Father's Day message for Dad?
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. No tickle, no tickle.
No, tika lang.
Is he a great dad, Johan?
Yes.
What do you like most about him?
He tickles me every day. Minsan.
And he's cool daw? Is he a cool dad?
Yes.
Am I? Yeah.
Career din pala ang pagiging isang magulang at pagiging isang asawa.
Ang leading lady ni Ryan sa totoong buhay, si Judy Ann Santos. Saludo sa pagiging ama ni Ryan. Walang masabi o mairereklamo.
Judy Ann, kumusta si Ryan as a father?
Naku, walang kwentang tatay. Hindi. With Ryan, nababalansin naman ni Ryan yung pagiging cool dad niya and at the same time, disciplinarian pa rin siya. May time na talagang laro sila. Yeah, they dance. Talagang gagawin niya. May time pa na nung nanganak ako with Lucho, date naman sila ni Johan. Kasi nga, that time si Johan's very, hindi naman insecure, pero parang, syempre, may selos factor with Lucho. So, nakatutok siya the whole time talaga kay Johan. Nood sila ng sine. Pag sinabi ni Johan na, give me a bath, daddy, paliliguan niya si Johan. May very, very close talaga sila ni Johan. With Lucho, talagang wrestling naman sila. Ano siya, may soft side siya, meron siyang rough side naman. So, ganun siya katindi magbalanse ng mga bagay-bagay.
Sinong disciplinarian sa inyo?
Parang mukhang pareho naman kami, pero parang mas nakikinig yung mga bata sa kanya. Kasi parang sa akin, pag may mga makailang ulit beses sa pa ako magsasalita, yeah, you stop that, you stop that, you stop that. Kailangan ko pa sabihin sa kanya, Bob, ayaw mag-stop, ikaw ang patigilin mo na sila. So, mas nakikinig sa kanya bago sa akin makinig.
Did you expect that he will turn out to be this kind of a dad?
Bilib ako sa kanya. Actually, hindi ko naisip nung mag-boyfriend pala kami, parang hindi ko siya nakitaan ng ganun kasi parang masungit eh. Pero, pag nagustuhan naman niya yung bata, tututukan niya.
At dahil Father's Day ngayon, si Juday may mensahe para sa kanyang mister.
I think he's really, really doing a good job as a father and hats off ako sa kanya. So, to Baba, Happy Father's Day. Hindi ko naman pwede sabihin Happy Father's Day and may you have many more to come, di ba?
Sa pagtatapos ng aming interview, sa pambihirang pagkakataon, ang Agoncillo family nakiuso sa Just Dance. Pati si Judy Ann na bihirang makitang sumasayaw sa TV, game! Kung wala sila, wala tayo. Hindi kompleto ang pamilya. Kaya ngayong Father's Day at sa bawat araw na magdaan, sila'y ating pasalamatan.